Welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with engulfing zone trading strategy. So today is another new video on how to trade with engulfing zone trading strategy. So this is part 10 on how to trade with engulfing zone trading strategy. You see here I miss put option here, but I will still wait. If market go higher, I'll place my trade. No problem. You see here this is engulfing, and this is another engulfing. Market close at this zone. You see market is reversing, so I will wait for the next candle. You see here is another engulfing. Yes, this is another engulfing. I will place put option. I place my trade put option here because of this engulfing, so I know definitely market must go down. That's why I place my trade. Market is doing panic, but I know it must go down because of this engulfing here. You see market engulfing here. We have 7 seconds. You see this is winning trade, so I'll place call option here. I place my trade call option here because here is another engulfing zone. Market must reverse here, so I know definitely market must reverse here, even though market is doing some panic. You see here is engulfing, strong engulfing, and here as well is another strong engulfing, so I know market must reverse. That's why I place my trades call option here put option because of this engulfing, but here market close at this engulfing, then I place my trade call option. So you see this is another winning trade. I took total 2 trade here, so let me check another one. And you see here is another engulfing here, engulfing, another engulfing. So if market close at this zone, I'll place put option again. If market close inside here, I'll place put option. Yes, market is trying to reach this zone, but it's doing panic. So no problem, I will wait for market to reach this zone, then I will place my trade or to break this zone. Here is another zone. Yes, here is another zone, but to get down. So maybe after this candle, is another opportunity here. Yes, after this candle, what you see market is reversing. It's reversing already. Here you see market, those choice zone are reject, so I need good marginal of safety because here is tricky. Because it didn't close exactly at the zone, it just touch and rejects. And this is ranging market. In ranging market, don't trade touch, trade when market close inside or breakout. Ranging market. So if you are trading with this strategy, you see, so that's why I didn't place my trade, because in ranging market you have to wait for the breakout or market close at the zone, then you place your trade. Yes, I place put option here because you see here is engulfing, and this is the breakout of the engulfing. So I know definitely here market must reverse at this zone. So that's why I place my trade put option. I place put option again here because I know it must create strong candle. That's why I place two trades at the same time. I know this candle must be huge. It must be strong candle because you see this candle is strong, so this candle must be strong. Market is doing panic, but I know it must give me winning trade. You see this candle is strong. You see this is strong candle, so that's why I place my trade here. And I see market, the movement of this candle, I know it must close below this zone, so that's why I place my trade again. So I place two trade at the same time because of the movement of this candle. So let's wait and see. Here is gap. You see gap. So you see here, this is another zone here. This zone is very strong here. Because of the ranging market, I will trade this zone. I will not trade here. If it is trending market, if market touch this, because of this engulfing, you place call option. But this is ranging market, you wait for market to reach this zone, because if you place your trade here, market may still go down. That's why I will wait for market to reach this zone, then I place call option. The ranging market, you see, so I need lower entry point. If market come below this zone and reject, I will place call option down. So I will wait. I'm waiting for market to come below here, then I place my trade. I know it may create weak candle, so but market is not coming. So market just touch here, see here you see breakout. I'll place call option even though there is gap. I place my trade call option here even though there is gap. So here I know market must reverse here even with this momentum, but here market must reverse. So that's why I place my trade call option at this zone. You see strong bias entry because you see engulfing here, you see another engulfing here. So that's why I place my trade. Because here is ranging market. So in ranging market you have to trade at this zone, below or inside the zone. In trending market you can trade touch the zone. You see this is winning trade. So I took total 4 trades based on engulfing zone trading strategy. So you see this is the first trade here. Yeah, this is my first trade here. Let me show you what I can see here. You see here this is engulfing, and here is another engulfing. Market rejected from here. That's why I place my trade put option at this candle even though it's not green. Sorry, yes, it's red, it's right. I place put option, then the candle go red. Yes, here even though it's not strong candle, but it's winning trade. Then the next trade here, yes, here you see as soon as market, I can see here is engulfing, and here is another engulfing. As soon as market close at this zone, then I place my trade call option. So that's why I place my trade here. Then the next trade, I place 2 trades at the same time. Here you see this is engulfing, this is another engulfing, and this is the breakout of the engulfing. Then I place my trade here. When I see this candle movement is very fast, it has broken this immediately, then I place my trade again. I know it must close below this level. So that's why as soon as I see market break this level immediately from the movement of this candle, so I know it must close below, I place 1 trade here and I place another trade here. Because of the movement of this candle is very fast and it has broken this. You know, normally if market break the engulfing zone, it will come back to this and close, but the movement of candle shows me that market will not stop here again, it will break this zone. That's why I place my trade here, then I place again. Then this is the last trade here. So after market, my last trade here, you see engulfing here, and you see engulfing here. Then market break, engulfing here. As I have told you, normally market, if market break the zone, it will close at the zone and reverse. But here you see market, when I see the movement of this candle, I know it will not reverse. That's why I placed 2 trade here at the previous trade. But here you see market break, reverse, close at this zone, then market continue go down. But here I know market will not go up again. That's why I place my trade immediately when I see the movement of this candle. So I took total 4 trades, all winning trades in a row based on engulfing trading strategy. And this is part 10. Maybe this is the end of the engulfing zone trading live video. I will, maybe in the next video, I will show you how to identify the zone based on chart history. I will not do live video based on engulfing zone. I will just show you how to identify the zone to trade on the next video. So after then, I will show you another different strategy. So this is the end of this video. If you like my video, please like it, share, comment. I will say thank you, bye bye. Please, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. So thank you, bye bye.